Hey guys, I'm the Asia Lorraine and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be unboxing the mystery box of the Colourpop, you know. I love Colourpop so freaking much. I do have a brand on myself. I obviously do love supporting other brands. Colourpop is one of them. I feel like they're very affordable, have many different colors and launches. I'm just like, every single launch I'm just blown away. And the one that I got, I put it on the screen right here. I really don't remember, but it did take like 2 or 3 weeks. I went to unbox it, what's inside, because I've owned like pretty much a lot of Colourpop products. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, like this video if you haven't, and let's get straight into this video. I'm excited to see what's inside this box. You can see it says Colourpop. I just love Colourpop's packaging, like so pretty. See, I'm just gonna get this out. It says thanks a latte. This is really cute, and I'm just going to read out what I actually got because I don't remember. It says it's a mystery, so I guess so. I just don't want to look at all, so I'm just gonna look at you guys. Okay, so I've got 3 of these. We're gonna pop this one. This is the cream gel liner. This is the liner, and right here this is the defining mascara. I didn't know they had mascara, so this is how it looked. And then I also got the lippy pencil. This is how it looked as well. I'm gonna open the mascara. I honestly didn't know they had a mascara. Ooh, this is really nice. It smells like coconut. I have short lashes, so I feel like it doesn't matter what mascara I use. This doesn't do a difference to my lashes. I don't know, I'm actually just wearing like lashes right now. I'll let you guys know how I feel about this. If you guys haven't already, follow my Instagram and I will give you guys all the details of everything, and let's become friends on social media. Recently did get a pencil from them. I got it in brown and they gave me this sort of brown, which I don't think it will show. Yes, this isn't gonna show. Products that I don't like and I know that just won't look right on me, I might just give it away. If you haven't already, comment on this video, subscribe to my channel, and I will literally just give this away to anyone. So this one is the cream gel liner, and this one is an extra frosty. It's really thin, so you probably can't even see it. Ooh, that's where I swatched it, right there. Wow, what is this? This is, I'm guessing it's like a gel liner, but from where? Your eyes? Like, I'm a pretty girl, I know what I'm doing. Like, can I use this for my waterline? So far, okay. So I literally just grabbed anything, and this is the Soul Body. This is how the packaging looks. The packaging is always everything when it comes to Colourpop. It's a Luxe Lightweight Dry Oil with Next Level Shimmer. Ooh, she is nice. I'm just going to put it on my hand and see how she is. Oh my god, so this is how she looks, guys. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's like literally going down my hands. You guys really can't see it, but my hands are very shiny. Oh my god, this smells so good. Let me see if I put it on my arm, you guys will like see it better. Definitely giving like sparkles. Yeah, you guys can definitely see that. You know, I'm gonna definitely wear this out to the next product. It's Animal Crossing theme. This is very cute. It's very fall color. This is very cute. One swatch. So I'm just going to take off Flutter. This one. Oh, she is pigment. She is pigment. This one's very cute. I love her, and I'm definitely going to use her for the fall as well. I was not expecting to get this one. It's in candy coated. Can we just talk about this real quick? Their packaging is always bomb. Like, oh my god, y'all, hold on, this is a coincidence, but look, literally looks like the lip gloss that I made from my wholesale collection. It literally looks the same. Carla, are you listening to me? Hey, are you trying to copy? I'm going to try this on. Like, you know, she's very light on me. She is very minty and very like, it's like doing something to my lips. It's making my lips very like tingly. Like, I don't know if I love it, if I like it, if it's doing something. I don't know. I gotta make the tingling go away. Papaya face milk. This is their 4th Ray Beauty. I've never tried their 4th Ray Beauty, but I'm not sure. I'm not too big on trying new things out. This is definitely something I will give away. It's cruelty free. It's actually dermatologist tested. It's 100% cruelty free, vegan. If you guys really want this, just comment down below. I would definitely send it to one of you guys. You guys really want this. Instagram and subscribe to my channel and comment down if you want this or not. And Charlie mentioned 2 items that I am giving away. 3 that I have in my hand. I'm guessing they are shimmers. Shock shimmer, Shock cheek. That's like this. Eyeshadow. How it looks right here. So the packaging looks, and if you turn it, so it is. Ooh, this is very like, I don't know, like this. Ooh, she is pigment. I'm going to keep this, y'all. I have to keep this. This is how the other one looks. I don't know if you guys can see it. Giving out this pressed eyeshadow. I just feel like I have so many of these. I just know I won't be using this one at all, so that's why I'm giving it out this way. So like I said, comment down below. So I have lippy sticks, and I also have, oh, they gave me a brush. Oh my god, I love this already. But y'all, this is freaking bomb. The best one out of the whole box. Use it to press it in or do touch-ups and stuff. Oh my god, I need a brush too. Okay, last but not least, this is the lippy sticks. But yeah, so this is how she looks. She looks like this. Not a big fan of red lipstick at all. That's how she looks like. It is about to be fall season, so your girl probably needs red lipstick. Hope that this one actually fits my skin tone. I honestly thought I was going to get more lighting things, if I'm being honest. Slightly disappointed. Do I recommend the mystery box? Probably not really. However, I think it all just depends how much you spend on a mystery box for it to be good. Higher end, then maybe it will become good. I rate this mystery box a 7 out of 10. In this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Also comment down below if you guys want some of these items that I am giving away. Subscribe to this channel and follow me on Instagram at Asia Lorraine. That is all for the video, guys. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.